Assalamu alaikum students, hope so you all will be fine and enjoying good health. Welcome to English online class. It's grade 7. It's my first lecture with you and the topic is home and love. You read this poem. Today we will do comprehension. So you have to open your book page number 90. So let's get started. Restaurant, it's our reader page number 90 and we are going to do exercise part A, question A to H, and these questions will be solved on notebooks. First, prepare your notebook page. You have to write date and day, then draw margin line with colored marker and write topic and activity with blue marker. First question is, that is part A, what are the words that the poet wants to bring to our attention? You read that poem. You know that home and love are the words that the poet wants to bring to our attention. This is answer for question A. Question B is, what information does he give us about the words? Mention at least 3 points found in the first verse. Okay. The answer of this question is, they are small. The poet is saying about these words, home and love. So you have to write 3 points about these words. They are small. They have 4 letters each. They are no words more tenderly complete. And angels do not use any sweeter words. Well, question 3 is, what argument does the poet give in the second verse to show that love is no use without home and home is no use without love? So answer for this question is, home without love is bitterness. Love without home is often pain. They will no two alone have to go together. Okay. Question 4 part D is, which common phrase does the poet use to show that love and home work together? You read the poem and you know that hand in glove is the phrase that the poet used to show that love and home work together. Question 5 part E is, what message does the poet have for those who have both home and love? Okay, answer for this question is, the poet says that those who have both, whether they are poor or not, ought to sing the whole day long. The words will make their song divine. And the last question is, find words in the poem which have the same meaning as the following. Okay. These words are given on your book: a divine being, abhorred, needy, obtain, affection. So you have to write meanings of these words. A divine being, its meaning is angel, abhorred, home, needy, poor, obtain, gain, affection, love. So students, you have to write these questions on your notebook, and 2 questions you will write of your own. You will write answers of your own that are, these questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. Okay. What to your mind does home mean? What does a house become a home? Okay. You will write answers of this question of your own. In your view, can home exist without love? Okay. You will give your opinion and you will write answers. Okay. Student, you have to write your work very much neat and clean, and you have to focus on writing pattern. Thank you.